What to pack for a summer trip to Iceland? Expect a mix of rainy, sunny and windy days and temperatures between 9 and 15 degrees Celsius. Or if you're lucky, up to 20 degrees Celsius. During summer, we'll typically wear a t-shirt and hiking trousers. It's a good idea to wear water-repellent trousers or at least fast-drying ones. That makes them perfect for exploring waterfalls or in case of rain showers. On top, we recommend a mid-layer such as a fleece shirt. And a vest is a perfect item for summers in Iceland. We also recommend a shell layer, jacket and trousers in case your hiking trousers aren't water repellent. You'll also need warm accessories even though it's summer. Bring mittens or gloves, a beanie and woolen socks. We recommend bringing a backpack. This one's water resistant, which is very practical in Iceland. And regarding footwear, we recommend hiking boots. In case of brilliant weather, we recommend wearing a cap, sunglasses and sunscreen. And of course you'll need a swimsuit for the hot springs. Other nice to have items for visiting natural hot springs are a water bottle, hiking towel and some flip-flops. You'll also want to pack a casual outfit for dinners in the evening or simply for exploring in Reykjavik. Other items you might want to pack include a sleeping mask, an adapter and a power bank. Hopefully this was helpful. Most of the items in this video is from the Icelandic brand 66 North, which is one of Guide to Iceland's official partners. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions and follow Guide to Iceland for more travel tips.